Hey folks, wanted to do a quick review on this DeWalt oscillating tool, cordless oscillating tool. It's the 20 volt max version, and we use these all the time in the job site. And one of the things I like about it best versus some of the other oscillating tools is just how quick it is to change these blades out. And this has just got a quick like a quick disconnect type little feature, and you just pull that up and you can see the teeth right there. So with these blades, just pull it up, stick it in, adjust it. You can adjust the blade around however you need to go. If you need to put it on that side, you can do it over there, you know, just however you're going to be cutting. And so that's one thing. Next thing is got this LED light on the front, so when you're making plunge cuts, things like that, it's pretty handy. And then down here you got 3 different speeds. So this is up on speed 3. See, you can see the vibration here, or the oscillations. Of course, it's all controlled by trigger pull, and then you can turn that so very ergonomic. Again, the battery just disconnects just like all the other DeWalt tools like that. But it's brushless motor. Overall, really like these. Use them all the time. Seem to hold up well. All right, thanks for watching.